What a crazy week it has been. Well, a cobra about 6 feet in length entered my home. It was a very scary experience. It was actually climbing up a basket where the chicken had laid eggs, and startled by my presence in a bid to flee, not knowing where to go, it entered my home and hid under a cabinet. It took a while to chase the snake out, and it was a very scary situation.
Hopefully there are snakes on the way.
The continuous thought of what if I hadn't noticed it enter and the outcome of it sends shivers down my spine. On a lighter note, 2 of our roosters were fighting over the ladies as usual, and one of them just died when the other pecked strongly on the other one's head. We had chicken dinner that night. Although my mother was not very happy, she loves her chickens. Oh, and the best part, my deaf dog Bengi, which literally means deaf, gave birth to 4 cute puppies. My husband played the role of a midwife and I the role of a nervous husband. The puppies were born in the afternoon sometime, and we had a sleepless night. Bengi is a first-time mother, and she being deaf can't hear her pups crying. She slept soundly in the corner while the pups cried in search of their mother and kept rolling out of their home. We had to pick them up several times and put them next to their mother. A day later, pups could locate their mother easily, and Bengi too has learned to take care of them.
Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambi. As you all know, I've had a crazy week and I'm just thankful that we got the snake out and we are all okay at home. Coming back to the cooking, today I'm going to be cooking with an amazing ingredient, which is the ginger flower. This is something that is it's an ingredient that is not known much outside of Northeast, and it's an amazing aromat, and I'm going to cook a dish with this today, a simple dish. But first, let's go have some tea.
Making tea with ginger flower is really simple and easy. I'm actually going to use the flower to infuse flavor to a regular tea. You can make it with just the flower without any tea leaves too. Cut the flowers as you want. I'm just splitting it open lengthwise. You can also just roughly pound them. Drop them into the vessel along with the tea leaves and let it come to a boil. The ginger flower has a distinct flavor from the ginger. It has a floral note which resembles the scent of galangal rather than ginger. It has a nice texture too if you're eating it as a vegetable. Ginger flower is prepared in many different ways across northeastern India. We generally cook it along with chilies, fermented fish, lye from bamboo shoot, ash and salt. Lye is a strong alkali that is obtained by dissolving ash from burnt bamboo and certain other plants and straining out the solid particles. The liquid obtained this way has been used instead of salt to impart flavor and tenderize meat and other ingredients. So in a cooking vessel, take all the ingredients and add some water. Cover it with a lid and let it cook till the flowers are soft.
So as the dish cooks, let me just enjoy my cup of ginger flower tea.
This simple dish goes really well with steamed rice.
So those are my little girl's ducks. The white one is Yaba, which is from the book. If you guys would have been following my Instagram post, you would have seen the book that I posted. That is Yaba. The gray one is Ashley. The brown and white one is Quacky Chan. And the black one is Pepper. So my husband got these ducks for our little daughter, and these ducks have been really stubborn. We've been trying to put them to bed, and we have to chase them every night to like get them inside their houses. And we came across this amazing video in YouTube of this duck farmer who has trained his ducks really well, and all he has to do is shout, "All ducks go to bed," and they immediately just head back to their respective rooms or whatever. And we've been trying to do that. We've been training our ducks, but these ducks are so stubborn, just like my little girl. And I think she secretly trains them to be stubborn or what. I've been trying to train them. It's been so hard. Look at them. They don't want to leave the pond at all. All ducks go to bed. Yeah. All ducks go to bed. They're not even bothered. Look at them. I don't think they're gonna go. They're very stubborn. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week with more amazing things and recipes from the Northeast. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the notification icon so that you get an update of when I'm posting my next video, and also follow me on Instagram. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.